Hey, welcome. Hey, welcome to the Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host, as always, Jesus in a Tortilla. We're here getting the All-American Beefy Crunch. Deliciously saucy, enticingly crunchy, and totally obsession-worthy. All right, it's like a roast beef sandwich. I'm geeked. I'm down with it. I'm all right with this. I like a roast beef sandwich now and again, especially Jimmy John's. All right, here we go. We got the freakishly, wildly big, gigantic one. I was thinking I might want to share it with my wife. All right, here we go. All right. This thing's huge, by the way. God damn. Woo-wee! Oh, they don't even cut this sucker. Jesus Christ, what are you supposed to do with a 16-inch sub? Guess we could take a look at her. There's a lot of crunchy onions on there. Some roast beef, lettuce, American cheese. It's a decent looking sandwich. All right. It's supposed to be a beef. It's supposed to be their answer to the American burger or whatever. I don't know. Here we go. It's got Thousand Island dressing. It's got roast beef. It's got American cheese. It's got pickles. It's got onion tanglers. It's quite a bit of stuff going on. This 16-inch sub. Here we go. I'm geeked. All right, here we go. It's not bad at all. There's a lot of pickle in that first bite. I love the bread at Jimmy John's. They don't ask what kind. They just serve this good bread. Good bread. Good bread. Bite ham. It's got onions. And it's also, it's got regular onions on it too, not just the crunchy onions. It's really a good sandwich. I get it. With the Thousand Island dressing, you get it. But do you have crunchy onions? This is a well-made sandwich. Got lettuce too. Man, it takes a minute to take a bite out of the sandwich. Because that is chewy bread, man. It takes a minute. What? Wow. I like it. Kind of sweet with that Thousand Island. It's nice. That roast beef's really good. That's a damn good sandwich. I don't know what to say. It's a damn good sandwich. It's called it's the new All-American Beefy Crunch. And it's really good. I'll give this 8.7. That's how good it is. 8.7 for the All-American Beefy Crunch at Jimmy John's. Love you guys. Love you, babe.